Burning pain after meals. Don't ignore this. What is gastric ulcer? A painful sore in the stomach lining caused by acid damage, that is, excess acid secretion in the stomach leads to a painful sore. Main causes are H. pylori infection, painkillers, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, smoking, alcohol, stress, irregular diets. Smoking, alcohol consumption, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Common symptoms are burning, gnawing pain, pain worse after eating, nausea, vomiting, bloating, belching, black stools, heartburn, feeling full. Management. Avoid ulcer triggers, that is, painkillers, alcohol, smoking, spicy, junk food, lifestyle matters. Small frequent meals, stress control, proper sleep. Early treatment heals ulcers. Ignoring it can cause bleeding or perforation. Save and share to spread awareness. Thank you. Follow for more.